Alright guys, so welcome to our first video in our financial freedom video series. Thank you so much for those that reposted the other video, letting people know about this one. Hopefully you will repost this video so that it can help someone as well. So the very first thing you need to understand when you decide to go on a financial freedom journey is you have to understand your current state. So what is your current financial status? And the way to do that is you're going to have to determine your complete debt. So everything that you have that you expense, everything that you have coming in, so your expenses, your actual assets, you need to understand all of that. And some of you may say, well, I'm not in debt or I have very little debt. But the thing about it is, if you don't know completely everything that's happening, there's no way to determine what it takes to get you where you want to go. You may say, hey, well, I want to be a millionaire. Doesn't matter what it is. You have to understand your baseline first. So for this video, we're going to talk about what you need to do, what you need to collect. First and foremost, I want you to get a 3-ring binder or a 1-subject notebook. I want you to keep this notebook or binder and have it labeled as your financial freedom journey, because there are going to be different things that we talk about during these videos that I need you to document down. So the first thing that you're going to put in there is you're going to collect all of your bank statements, credit card statements, mortgage payments, car loan, whatever it is. Anything that you are paying on a monthly basis consistently, or it could be annual, it could be every 3 months, every 6 months, like car insurance. You may pay for it once every 6 months. You may have things that you only pay for once a year, like life insurance. All of those things you need to know. So pull at least 1 year's worth of all of your documents. You only have to do this one time. Once you gather this information to understand what your current state is, you won't have to do it again. You need to be able to answer questions. If I ask you, what is the interest rate on your car payment or your mortgage? How much do you get paid are you charged in interest on your credit cards? Do you know that? Those are things that you can actually improve. You know, if you have a lot of debt that you're paying off on credit cards, you can call the credit card company and you can tell them your situation. You don't have to lie about it. You can talk with them, and there are ways to get things like that reduced. But right now, this video is to establish your baseline. So I need you to go pull all of those documents, take that notebook that I want you to put together, and then document those things out. So every credit card you have, write the name of the credit card, write what date it has to be paid on, write what the interest is on those payments, write what the current monthly payment is that you have to pay on it. Not what you're paying, but what you have to pay. You may be paying more than what they're telling you, or it could be vice versa. You may be paying less. I need you to document that for each credit card. Do that for your car loan if you have a car loan. Do that for your mortgage. If you have bills that you're paying that are medical, you need to document all of these items down. Once you document those things down, that's your expenses that you have. Then on the other side, I need you to document down for the money that you have coming in. You could have a regular 9-to-5 job. You could have a side hustle with Uber. You could have child support. You could have different things coming in. You need to know what money do you have coming in on a monthly basis. Once you have these two things, then we can determine what your net worth is and what your current financial state is. So that's the thing that I want you to do for video 1. Once you do that, then we can jump into the next videos to let you know how you start going through those steps to get out of debt. But you got to know where you are to determine where you want to go. Thank you for joining video 1. Please repost this so everyone is aware of all of the videos. But your homework for this week is to determine what your current financial baseline is so that we can determine your net worth. So as we start improving that, you can see how well you're doing.